What is up, guys? It's Toxic, and today, I've got a pretty good game. It's a free for all on Freight, and I ended up going 28 and 4, I think, a 7 KD, and I already posted it, but I figured it was a good game to commentate over, and so yeah, and I'll be further explaining like what I was doing later in the video. But anyway, so I've been having problems with like the share button. Like whenever what was it? Whenever I like upload it, it only gets the first 40 seconds. Or it was the first 40 seconds, and I think it was like, I don't know, it was the first minute or something, but it was sharing it wrong on Facebook. Like right now I use the share button. I mean, cuz it's cheap. I don't know, it comes with the PS4, but that's basically what I use now, but I was having problems with it. Like it wouldn't work. So I wanted to keep uploading, so I ended up just wanting to use this game because I figured, hey, I mean, I already have it. Why not use it and actually commentate it this time? So that's pretty much it. In the game, I was going for Helo pilots because I was trying to get the patch Hot Shot because I thought it looked pretty cool. Which would and you have to get a final kill cam with a Helo pilot, so that wasn't too hard to get. I actually ended up getting it like a week later, but yeah. So basically, I got two battle hinds, but I ended up dying off my Helo pilot twice, which was really annoying. So that's pretty much the gameplay. So you may be wondering why I haven't been uploading very much, and that's because my computer, it's just a piece of crap, and it's really annoying. I can't really do much with it. Like, like it takes 2 hours to render a video, and then it takes an additional hour to upload it. So I end up uploading it at like 12 o'clock at night or like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's just crazy. So I'm right now. I'm in Florida on spring break. It's going pretty well right now, like so far. I mean, we've been watching a lot of baseball, which has been pretty fun, and fishing. Like today, actually, I caught a pretty nice fish, but I was fly fishing. But anyway, that's is boring. But I'm building the computer with my uncle, so as soon as I do that, you can expect a lot more uploads. Because I can actually do things faster or fast at all because this thing is really annoying. But as soon as I do that, as far as my upload schedule goes, it'll be probably every day, every weekday, or like every other day, something like that. I'll have to figure it out. But I'll be uploading it a lot more frequently than I am right now. So, yeah, that's basically it. And another thing I wanted to acknowledge is check out my friend Cobra Unit's channel. I'll put the link in the description so you can go check him out. He just started YouTube, but he's one of my good friends, and he has one video up that's not in the best quality, but he's still figuring it out, like how to do it. Like I'm trying to help him with stuff right now. So yeah, definitely go check him out. He's a really good player, and you'll see a lot of gameplays where I'm playing with him. So if you're wondering whoever I'm playing with, that's Cobra. I'll put his channel link in the description, but definitely go check him out. He's a hell of a player. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, as you can see right now, I'm starting to catch up to this guy, and I'm starting to do really well. But then I, of course, keep getting killed from off of my kill streaks, and it gets really annoying. But towards the end, he gets 2 kills within like the last second of the game. So that's like why I lost. I think I was shooting at a guy, and then he just got a double kill to end it off. And yeah, it was really annoying. I was like, oh my god, I might come back and win this, and it was like, nope. He just had to do that. So, see, here's my other Trinity rocket. I call it in. I think I get my my other helo pilot, but I'm not quite sure. I don't really remember. But the game's starting to wrap up here. I think this is when he wins it. Like, see, I get my other battle hind, call it in, and then I get 2 more kills or 3 more kills, and then he gets the final kill and wins the game, which was really annoying. Like, I think it's coming up right here. Here's when he wins. But I think he got a double kill to win it. But anyway, that about sums up this gameplay. If you liked it, well, if you liked this video, then like this video and subscribe for more. I'm Toxic, and I'm out. Peace.